Meaning of flexibly.
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 Flexibly. Flexibly refers to the ability to adapt or adjust to different situations or circumstances. It implies the capacity to change or modify one's actions, thoughts, or behavior in response to changing needs or requirements. A flexible person can be seen as versatile, agile, or adaptable, able to shift gears or pivot when necessary. Flexibility is generally considered a positive trait, as it allows individuals or organizations to be more resilient, responsive, and effective in managing challenges and opportunities that arise.